Today, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your blog on your LearnWorlds site's navigation menu using Drop and Blog. Once you're logged into your LearnWorlds account, in your dashboard on the menu here on the left under My School, click on Site Builder. And a slide-in menu will appear. In this menu under Site Tools, click on Blog. Your blog setup page will load. Click on Edit Blog over here. And you'll be taken to your site builder. And here, taking up the larger part of the window, is your preview. Hover over the upper part inside the preview until the Edit School Top Bar button appears, and click on it. Click on the uppermost section, and the top bar settings will appear here on the right. Under After Login Links, click on the last plus icon. Click inside the text box to edit your link name. Name it however you like. We'll type in blog for simplicity. After that, click on the pen icon to edit your link. A pop-up window will appear, and under On-Click Action, we'll choose where the link will go to. So click on the drop-down and choose Page. Then on the Select Page drop-down, click and select the page you want to link to. For us, that will be blog homepage. And we'll keep this open link in setting the same so our link opens in the same window. Once you're happy with everything, click on Done. Then click on Save and Close. Now let's check the site out. Just click on this eye icon right next to Save, and your site will be opened in a new tab. We can see the link in the navigation menu over here. Let's click on it to see if it's all good. Looking good. Let's check out a blog post. We'll click on this one. And let's just scroll down a bit. Everything is working great. And that's how you add a link to your blog on your LearnWorlds site's navigation menu using Drop and Blog. Happy blogging!